In this photon moment, we will cover cleaning the benchtop. You want to be sure that the dust, possible oils, and other environmental debris is gone before accessing your sample or evidence. One of the first things you're going to want to do when you get to your workbench is to clean the surface of the workbench. How do you do that? You use rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Rubbing alcohol consists of 70% isopropanol, that is to say isopropyl alcohol, and deionized water. It's meant to be used on human skin, so it's safe. Here, we see a variety of sources for rubbing alcohol. In addition to isopropyl alcohol, you may also find ethyl alcohol as rubbing alcohol. I prefer the isopropyl alcohol variety for cleaning benchtops. The isopropyl alcohol acts as a good degreaser. It gets the organic material up, and the water will solubilize anything that's water soluble on the surface of the table. The next step will be to wipe up the spray that you've put down on the table to help remove any of the soil or debris that's present on the table surface to clean it up. How do you do that? Paper towels. Let's take a look. The bench is now cleaned and ready for a bench protector. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn when new videos are posted, and to learn right away when they're posted, click the bell. If you like the content and want to help others to find the channel, click the like button. If you have suggestions, comments, or a question, feel free to post it in the comment section and I'll respond. Again, thanks for watching.